Hello guys, today I want to introduce you to a very wonderful program of making money from home or from anywhere else. So this program is called Yoonla. It is a CPA program that pays you $2 to $4 for every free email registration that you make. What I mean by this is that when you become a member, you'll be given such a link. So when you share this link and someone puts their name and email address only, you will earn either $2 or $4 depending on their country of origin. So this is a wonderful program. I've been able to make some decent amount of money with it. Currently I have $326 in approved commission, and I also have $452 in pending commission. So this $326 is approved commission for last month, that is April last month. And apart from that, when someone becomes an elite member through you, you get $30 in commission. So this is really a decent way of making some good money. It's so easy for people to just input their name and email address. It's so easy. By just doing that, you'll be paid $2 or $4 depending on their country of residence. And Yoonla is available in every single country of the world, as you can see. Myself, I'm a Kenyan, naifanyia hapa Kenya. Kwanza naishi Kasarani, Nairobi, and so it's a nice way that I'm using to make some extra cash. When I come to my commissions and I come to payouts made to me, Yoonla has been able to pay me over $1,300. So that is over 130,000 Kenyan shillings. So all these have been sent to my PayPal account. So let me come to my PayPal account. So this is my PayPal account. Let me go so that you can see my Yoonla transactions. Let me go. It's a very decent way of making money, and so I urge you guys to join. So let me go way back to when I joined Yoonla. It was around September, I think, when I got my first payment. Let it load. I hope my internet it's not that slow. Okay, and then when I come here and I type Yoonla, here it is. So as you can see, Yoonla made a payment of $414 to my account, $113, $259, $260, $118. And don't worry, Yoonla recently rebranded to Aspire Limited. That's why when I even type Yoonla, Aspire Limited comes in. So it's just Yoonla that rebranded to Aspire Limited. And myself, I do my withdrawals via Equity Bank, though nowadays Safaricom is also there, so you can also withdraw via Safaricom, but I've been doing my withdrawals via Equity Bank. So let me show you that I withdraw my money via Equity Bank. So as you can see, when Yoonla made a payment of $218, so I withdraw the same amount through Equity Bank. So guys, it's a legit way of making money. So just connect with me, message me, and I will guide you. It's really simple, and you can also be part of this wonderful program. So goodbye for now. Bye bye.